All right, let's look at number 7. I have 1/7 plus 3/7. Now notice when I add fractions, I have to have a common denominator. They have a common denominator. It's like keeping the last name. So his last name is Sevens. His last name is Sevens. Now remember when I do combining expressions, remember the x's? They have to have the same last name. So what is their last name? His last name is Sevens. You keep its last name. So 1/7 plus 3/7 is going to give you 4/7. So the answer to number 7 is 4/7. Now I can't simplify 4/7 anymore because think about it, if I put 4 and 7 in a sled, there is nothing I can pull out of that except 1 because any numbers that go into 4 are 2 and 4. 1 goes into 4 and 1 goes into 7. That's the only thing I pull out. I'm stuck with 4/7. So you cannot simplify 4/7.